Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. I am Devadrita and I am a makeup enthusiast as well as a blogger. So in today's video I am going to create a bold makeup look, but I am ditching the as usual red color. In this video, I will be creating a winged liner and complementing it with a beautiful bold magenta color lipstick. And if you guys are interested in this look, you can just keep on watching. A huge shout out to Foxy Famous being a partner in this video, and I will be linking all the details and their Instagram links, everything below in the description bar. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics primer. This is actually a pore minimizing primer and I really love the formula. It's very soft and mousse kind of texture. I'm going to apply it on my face, especially focusing the area like my T-zone and also the other part of my face to make a smooth base for the foundation application. And for my foundation, I will be going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Boldest Foundation. So my shade name and the number will be described below in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it out. I'll be blending it in with the help of a makeup sponge so that it looks beautiful, seamless as well as flawless. First I have applied it on the dotted motion for the proper distribution of this foundation in all over my face along with my neck area. And for my concealer, I will be using the Maybelline concealer. This is the Age Rewind concealer which I am applying under my eyes, my nose bridge, cupid's bow, chin as well as on the lid of my eyes. This one is a very good concealer for covering your under eye dark circles and any kind of dark patches which you have on your face. I'm blending it in with the same makeup sponge which I have used earlier. For setting my base, I am going with the Sugar Cosmetics Banana Powder. This is kind of a compact powder which is in the shade Banana, and I am setting my base where I have used the concealer as well as my jawline and everywhere. And I am doing my brows off camera and you can see how beautiful it's looking. And move on to the eye makeup. I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Matte Lipstick for my eye makeup today. I'm using a mauve shade first and blending it in with a blending brush to create a beautiful transition on my lids as well as my crease area so that it looks seamless and flawless. After blending it properly, I am going to apply the same color in my lower lash line as well as blending it into the inner corner. I'll be creating a beautiful wing with the help of the Sugar Cosmetics liner. This is a very good glossy liner which looks absolutely beautiful. The tape is really great and makes it really comfortable for application. I'll be doing the other eye off camera and it's looking pretty good. And I'm dusting off all the excess powder and blending it into my necks as well as forehead and other areas of my face. Move on to the face makeup. I am going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force palette and I am going to apply the contour shade to my hollows of the cheek as well as I'll be applying it to the jawline to correct it properly so that it looks a little bit sharp and edgy. And also do not forget to apply the contour shade to your nose so that your nose is looking so beautiful. Applying some blush shade to the cheeks to give my cheeks some sort of color. This is very pretty color and I absolutely adore the color. Finally, I am blending the contour shade as well as the blush shade together so that there is no harsh line. Applying some setting spray from Khadi Herbal. This is basically a toner which I am going to apply it as a setting spray. And next I am taking the same palette and taking the highlighter shade, applying it to the highest point of my face like my cheekbones, my nose bridge, cupid's bow, chin area as well as to the inner corner of my eyes as well as to the brow bone. I'm taking the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner and it's actually a wine shade which I am applying it to the waterline of my eyes to give some sort of color and definition to my lower lash line as well as my waterline. Applying the same lip liner to outline my lips, I'm slightly overlining my lips to the outer part as well as to the lower portion of the lips. And after completion of the lip liner, you can see the color is really pretty. I'll be move on to the lipstick and for lipstick I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Founder. This is a very pretty bold magenta dark pink kind of color. You can say it's a wine color which is really pretty and gives you a bold makeup look, and this is my final look. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and this tutorial is helpful for you for creating such a beautiful bold makeup look. This is so easy. Anyone can pair it up with any kind of beautiful jewelry and beautiful Indian as well as Western wear. And yes, with that note, I am describing all the details of the makeup as well as the Foxy website and their apps, Instagram handle below in the description bar. Make sure to check it out. And with that note, I am signing off for today, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and stay healthy as always.